In this video we are going to discuss about the reproductive health and its related problems and strategies. So let us discuss about it. India is among the first in all the countries in the world for formulating or initiating some of the action plans and programs related to the entire global health of the society. These action plans and programs were named as family planning. They were named as family planning. These action programs and plans were formulated in the year 1951. And besides this, several improved programs covering wider reproductive related areas is currently under operation under the name of RCH. That is Reproductive and Child Health Care Programs. So these programs covers wide areas related to the reproductive problems, and the main aim of these programs were to initiate awareness among the people related to the reproduction related aspects, and providing support and building up a healthy reproductive society. So these all are the tasks of these type of programs which are running by the government on an improved and wider scale. Because we know that reproduction related aspects is present in every society and it needs to be developed, it needs to be improved. And because it is the duty of each and every individual living in a society to be aware of these type of problems. So, with the help of audiovisual and print media, some of the governmental and non-governmental agencies have taken up several steps to improve the reproduction related aspects and giving information about all these things to individual living in a society. Parents, teachers, close relatives, friends, they all have the duties related to these, to spread these type of informations and the solutions of the problems which are related to the reproduction related aspects. Introduction of sex education in schools, this should be encouraged. This should be encouraged for the students or the young ones who have certain myths and misconceptions related to the sexuality. So for removing all these type of problems, sex education should be encouraged in the school. It is one of the good aspect, that is introducing sex education in schools. It helps the young ones to have proper information related to the reproduction, and they also get rid of several kinds of myths and misconceptions which they have related to the sexuality and reproduction. Along with the sex education, they should give proper information about the reproductive organs, adolescence and the changes which are related to the adolescence, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted diseases and AIDS. These all informations should be given to the people to make them aware about their hazardous effect and how to get rid of that and how to uproot these type of problems entirely from the society. So by giving information about all these things can even reduce several type of problems related to the reproduction related aspects. And majorly these type of information should be given to those age groups who are under adolescence or going through the period of adolescence, and also the people who are married, to give them proper information about the birth control systems and preventions, and having proper as well as safe sexual practices. These problems can improve the reproductive health of the society. Besides this, the opportunities for the male and the females in the society, the problem basically related to the reproduction is that reproductive related aspects, one of the major problem with this is that by considering females as useless in many aspects, that they think that if they have, if any couple they have female child, then it is like a burden. It is not so. Females are also doing the same things whatever the male can do. They all have the abilities. So by giving them information about the opportunities for both the childs, this kind of thing can be rid easily from the society. So these are all certain kinds of problems which are related to the reproductive health. Using of proper preventions and going for safe sexual practices, hygienic sexual practices can also improve the reproductive health of the society by decreasing the level of diseases which are actually caused by these type of improper sexual practices, which leads to sexually transmitted diseases, or in sometimes causes severe type of diseases like HIV infection, etc. among the people. So this is all about this video in which we have discussed about the reproductive health problems and strategies, for which the government had passed several types of action plans and programs, which includes family planning as well as the reproductive and child health care programs, under which the postnatal care as well as the care of the pregnant lady or the pregnant mother, and what is the importance of breastfeeding and the postnatal care of the mother and the child are certain important tasks which comes under these type of action programs, so that the reproductive health of the society can improve. So here we have seen that one thing which is very much important, that is in every age group, the sexual information, or we can say that the proper information in terms of reproductive related aspects is very much necessary. It is equally important for the young ones and to a mature adults also. So this is all about this video. In our next video, we will discuss something more related to this topic, in which we will discuss some more strategies related to the reproductive health.